Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix 100% disk usage in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your disk is using up to 100% and then you want to fix this issue, so let's see some possible fixes for you. So the very first thing, you just have to press the window button and here just simply search for Task Manager, and here you must see your disk usage. Just expand the screen and here you will see your disk usage. So if you're facing the issue that your disk usage is up to full or up to 100% or above 90%, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to disable SysMain in your system. Now to do this, just press Windows plus R to open the run command, and here you just have to enter services.msc. Just search for services.msc. Click OK, and here just click on any service and then you just have to press S from your keyboard. Now you will see S section. You just have to locate SysMain here. So here's the SysMain. Just right click on it and then click on stop. So it will stop SysMain in your system, and once you have done, you just have to simply go back from here. Now the second step is you just have to open your PowerShell, or you can also use your command prompt. So let's say I'm gonna open my command prompt. Just press window button and here r- search for CMD or command prompt. It will be open. Just click on run as an administrator. Click yes, and here you have to enter a command. So I have the command in my notepad. So I'm gonna copy this. And once you have copied, you just have to go there and just paste your command here. And once you have pasted, it will make a loading and you can see that the Windows search service was stopped successfully. So this process has been successfully done. Now after that, I have a second command. You just have to open your command prompt again, and here you have to enter your second command. So here I have the second command in my notepad. I'm gonna copy this from here and just paste it here. Now once you have done, you just have to press enter, and here just press Y, then enter. Now you can see that this volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. So after that, you just have to restart your system and this step will be successfully done. Now once you have done, you just have to now disable your startup apps. Now to do this, just open your Windows settings, and in your settings just click on apps and then click on startup apps. Here you'll find startup apps. Just click on this, and here you'll see all the apps which have the access to run on your startup. So you can only enable the setting for necessary apps. If you find any unnecessary app here, so you can try to disable that from here. So after that, your disk usage will be minimized or will be customized. So in this way, you can easily fix your 100% disk usage in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.